Hey y'all, what's going on? I'm in the process of revamping this old unit of mine. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna call her Rain or Stormy. What y'all think? Like it's giving dark side. Yeah, today I got a lot to do today, so honestly, truly, oh, not the tripod falling over, y'all. Hold on, hold that thought. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. It's Shekki Starr, and today we are mostly just cleaning and resetting for the new year and opening up a few packages, hopefully. I got a new camera light, LED like selfie light type of thing, so my lighting is a little bit better. Like, can we get a round of applause? Thank you. How are you guys feeling the hair? Something different, something new. I just revamped an old wig that I had laying in my closet, and this is what she looks like straight. I want to do curtain bangs in the front and like flip the ends, so I'll probably do that tomorrow. And I also wanted to show y'all the back of my shirt. It's so cute. I've had this shirt forever, but so that package, y'all, I think is my brand light. I am putting a brand light in my content room. It's not really ready yet, but I still have to like put the wallpaper up and get it, you know, clean and vacuum and stuff. But I ordered a brand light to go on the wall so I can have a content wall in my office. It looked kind of small, like the box looks kind of small, so I'm a little bit nervous. I ordered 24 inches, 22 inches, so I thought that's about 2 feet long. So I used my arm to measure it. So we're gonna see. Hopefully I'm not too disappointed in it. Like if it's too small, like I might order another one. Not right now, maybe in a few months or so. Try not to show too much of my space because it's still a little bit junky in here because we just moved. If you haven't, go watch that vlog. Go check out the moving vlogs. But yeah, new year, new house, new me. No, actually it's not new me, you know. I'm just playing, y'all. But what is y'all's New Year's resolutions? What's y'all goals? Are y'all doing it? Like, I rested all day yesterday. You wasn't gonna get me to start nothing new. I wasn't about to start nothing. We're not doing anything on January 1st. But yeah, let me know what y'all are doing. I want to know what y'all are doing. Where are we going, sis? What are we doing this year? Let me know so I can hop in the ride. But anyways, do y'all want to watch me clean? Like, okay, girl, all you had to do was say okay. Like, yes, okay. I'm gonna set the camera up anyway, but like, I just wanted to know. This is a very, very scary angle. The room is a mess, so we're just gonna ignore that. But like, you guys wanna watch me clean, don't it? Y'all, I was today years old when I realized the vacuum doesn't pick up when you push it. It picks up when you pull it. Like, nobody thought to tell me that. Sexy land. Can we just take a moment to admire? I just want to thank God, my family, my friends, my true supporters, my day one supporters, my best friends. This wouldn't be possible without you guys. And to all the stargazers out there, you could do it too. So I just finished putting up my new mirror. Yeah. So I'm obsessed with my new mirror, y'all. Hey y'all. Today, we're just working on some home improvement projects. I did my hair a little bit, zhuzhed it up. I don't know, I was trying to do the curtain bang thing. I don't know how I'm feeling it right now, you know? I don't know if it's just my face shape or if I didn't go short enough. Maybe I need to make them a little bit shorter. But like they're not. And then also like you'll see in the clips, the curling wasn't curling for me. Like it wasn't doing what it's supposed to be. It wasn't giving what it was supposed to have gave. So I wanted to just kind of check in with you guys because I feel like I've been doing a lot of doing in these vlogs. I've been showing a lot of what I'm doing, which is accurately depicting my life. That is who I am. I'm always on the go and always doing things, preparing, you know, working on my goals and stuff. But I feel like I don't check in a lot. You guys know my external personality, but you don't know my mentality. You don't know what's going on up in here because I'm not like talking to you guys. So I figured I'd check in and tell you guys what I've been thinking about. A lot of y'all have been asking me like, when is the astro content coming? Like, we're here for the astrology. The people that know me in my personal life, you know that I love to study astrology and love to learn about the stars, hence the name Shekki Starr. And so that is on the way. Don't worry, like I've got things planned for this channel. I really want to do readings, like personal readings. I want to invite some of my closest friends on the show, read their chart. I'm not going to put their entire chart out there, of course, but we're going to talk about little, like the major aspects of them, maybe their big three, and kind of go over what that means for them. And you can apply it to your chart as well. And hopefully I can teach you guys some astrology learning tips, how to look at your birth chart. I do have plans for that. Like, as for me, the new year is off to a great start. I am feeling the brunt of the Pluto transition. If you don't know, Pluto is transiting into Aquarius pretty soon. Pluto is transiting into Aquarius. Now it, you know, has been retrograding in and out of it. So, but for the most part, it's been in Capricorn. What that means is Pluto is the planet of rebirth, and it symbolizes a generation. So, you know, we've been in Pluto and Capricorn for 15 years. So this year, 2024, that's why it's gonna feel so different, because the new generation is here. The new generation of Aquarius is here. Capricorn stands for structures and the government, discipline. Capricorn is a very like disciplined sign. I don't want to say boring, but we're not talking about the sun sign, that's something different. But Capricorn, the sign itself, it just stands for steadfast, stability, holding people accountable, holding yourself accountable. It's just the sign of discipline. And Pluto being rebirth, and also the coming down of that. So we're leaving Capricorn, which means all that is coming down: structure, stability, discipline. And we're going into Aquarius. And Aquarius stands for humanitarianism, innovation, technology, newness, quirkiness, weirdness, right? We're leaving stability, we're leaving discipline, and we're entering fun. We're entering what's coming next. We're entering a little bit on the wild side. And so I feel like I'm feeling that a lot right now, which everyone is. It just depends on your house that planet is transiting. And so for me, that was the 10th house. It was leaving my 10th house of Capricorn, which for me, 10th house, the 10th house stands for career and goals, your accomplishments, what you work towards in life. And Pluto is now entering the 11th house. And the 11th house stands for your friendships, love, your social standing, your social status, your reputation, essentially. And so, we're tearing down, all of those values and those, stability-minded things regarding career and goals and accomplishments, right? Those are coming down for me. And I'm entering into a world of humanitarianism in my social life. I want to be around my friends, I want to be social, I want to get out. I'm putting myself out there on YouTube. Like, I am becoming I'm a higher social status than I was prior. So I use it as an explanation, and I feel like people harp on it a lot. They harp on astrology as like, well, that's not, you can't tell the future. You can't, judge people by their signs and who they are and stuff like that. You don't have to, of course, but it is an explanation. You can use it as a guide. You can use it as an explanation of why that may have happened or where you are going in life. And that's what I mostly use it for. To make sense of the things that are going on around me, and as an explanation for, why certain things are going on. Our bodies are made up of majority water, right? I think it's 70% water. The moon pulls the tides, right? The moon, you learn that in science early on, right? Grade school science. The moon controls the tides. So if the moon is controlling the water on the earth, what makes you think it's not controlling the water that's inside of you? What makes you think that that doesn't have an impact on your emotions and how you think and what you're doing every day, your personality? Why would you think it has nothing to do with that, So, Pluto and Aquarius thinks people are going to become more open-minded about these things, because they're going to see that those old structured stability, discipline, hard things, stable things that we believed in the past are no longer serving them. Their life isn't as fulfilling that way. People are going to start to open up their minds to possibilities, to new ideas, innovation, new technology. We're going to see some big advancements over the next 15 years as a society. I'm excited for it. I'm hoping it'll go in a positive direction, because as with anything, there are downsides. But I'm looking forward to the good things. But anyways, that's just a little bit into a glimpse into Shekki Starr, Shekki Starr's mental world. That's what I'm I'm thinking about and what's going on every day for me, I'm thinking about astrology. So if you guys are interested in that, or if you'd be interested in coming over to my spot, to my pad, and getting a reading, a personalized reading with me, let me know in the comments. Getting a new dishwasher today and a new microwave soon as well. So I just wanted to show you guys what the old ones look like.